guys, so this is the, good lord, I think it's the 4th or 5th now, I'm losing track. So quick summary of what I have achieved this afternoon, and that is a photo. I'll try and pop the reference photo in the description. I'll try and locate that and the website. So again, 1, 2, 3 drawings of reference photo. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. So all 3 of them were good speed, and I captured I feel as if I've been able to capture the eyes, specifically the nose in this one, and as well as the detail in the hand. I feel like my level of skills are progressing and being proportionate to the actual frame of the face and the structure of the face. For each of them, I didn't have enough time to actually do much detail to the jumper or the folds of the jumper, as well as the hair. I'm not great at hair at the moment, so this is just a quick guide to her actual hair and where the hair was actually on her head, if that makes sense. Let's start for what would be a painting or charcoal or pastel, and some parts were slightly darker, which I didn't mean to do, like here, but the rest of it I feel I'm starting to get a wee bit lighter on the pencil, which is one of the things I've been struggling to actually achieve, and quite happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you're new, thank you for sticking around and maintaining watching to this point. Let me know what you'd like to see in future videos, and say hi.